Back after a horrible week of upper chest cold, Omicron, who knows? They don't test anymore and I don't trust the sticks. So first day back, we're going to take it easy, reduce my hypers by 50%. Just got to warm up, and we did 3 sets of 5 on these. Squats felt really good. Used the belt just to protect the back and worked up to some reps. Finally moved on to some singles just to see where I'm at. And surprisingly, got up to 175. Felt pretty light. So again, we'll just let the lungs heal and push on. So I managed to keep my ego in check on the squats, and again moved on to strict press. No knees on this one, of course, and no belt required. Again, just going through the reps to introduce the muscles back to fun time. Took a ton of weight off the rows, didn't go off the blocks, just walked it back from the rack and banged off a bunch of sets. And no belt required on these as well. Felt pretty good. Finished up rows and didn't cough much on these at all, which was nice. But on the chins, different story. Heart rate got way up. So I only did 1 set of 5. And it was nice to be able to do them. And we'll take a break in a day, try again, get back at it. Sickness and injury happen. The good news is they diminish.